Everyone, how is it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys about the new Monopoly Go, the airplane glitch that you're here for. What you need to do is set your dice multiplier to 100 or 1000 if you have this boost available, and then turn on airplane mode and get ready to roll alongside a notepad and pencil. And then you need to write down or record whatever you get, like rolls, until you get the no internet. And then the more rolls you get, the better. You can also memorize, but yeah, it's better if you just put notes or like use screen recorder, as you can see. And then close the app, and if you're on Apple you need to delete the game and re-download it, and if you're on Android you can just head over to Monopoly, clear the cache and storage. After that, reopen the app and then log into your linked Facebook for the autosave, and then check to see if like the first number is same like whatever it had roll in the first one. If it's yes, then go ahead and roll at 1000, and if not, roll at 1 and move to your next number, and then continue to repeat until you run out of numbers of your 1000 list, and then go back to step 1 and repeat the process. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.